Hello everyone, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to study a new chapter, circles. So all are familiar with the shape circle, right? In our day-to-day life we come across many things which are circular in shape, right? Here you can see 3 circles drawn, and as you see, circle is a closed figure and the points on the circle are at an equal distance from a fixed point inside the circle. Okay, so inside the circle we could see a point inside the circle, and this point is a fixed one, and the distance from this point to the circle are always same. Okay, and this fixed point is called the center of the circle. This fixed point is called the center of the circle, and we can represent the center using capital letters. Okay, and let it be O. Here for the circle, let the center of the circle be O. Okay, and I'm taking a point which is on the circle. Let it be point A. I'm taking a point A on the circle. Okay, now I'm going to draw a line segment joining O and A, joining the center of the circle and a point on the circle, and this line segment is known as the radius of the circle. Okay, the line segment joining the center of the circle and a point on the circle is called its radius. Okay. And for a circle we can draw infinite number of radius. Here taking this point, I got one radius, and if I'm taking a point here, let it be point B, and joining this point and center of the circle, I will get another radius, and this radius will always be equal. We taught that a circle can have infinite number of radius and all the radius will be of equal length. Moving to our next circle, here it's a circle with center O, and now I'm going to mark 2 points on the circle. Let it be point Q and point P. Now I'm going to join these 2 points. Okay, I'm going to join these 2 points, and now it's a line segment, and this line segment joins the 2 points on the circle, and see, it passes through the center of the circle. Okay, and we call it by a name, and it is the diameter of the circle. Okay, so diameter is a line segment which passes through the center of the circle and also which has its end points on the circle. Okay, and we can draw infinite number of diameter to the circle. Okay, and all the diameters of the circle will be of equal length. Okay, and if I'm taking a point here, it's M, I'm taking another point N here and joining these 2 points, and if it passes through the center, it is its diameter. So diameter always passes through the center of the circle. Okay, there is a relation between diameter and radius of the circle. That is, diameter of the circle is twice the radius. That is, diameter is equal to 2 into radius of the circle. Okay, diameter is twice the radius. So diameter is equal to 2 into radius, and from this we can say that radius of the circle is half of diameter. So to find the radius, it is enough to divide the diameter by 2. Okay, so these are the relations between the diameter and radius. Okay, see here, it is to find the diameter of the circle whose radius is 10 centimeter, and in the second question its radius is 12 centimeter. Okay, so we need to find the diameter of the circle, and here the radius of the circle is given. Okay, for our first question, here the radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. Okay, so to find the diameter, we know the relation that diameter is equal to 2 into radius. right? And it is equal to 2 into, here radius of the circle is given, it's 10 centimeter. So it is 2 into 10 centimeter. And 2 into 10, multiplying it, we will get the answer as 20 centimeter. Okay, moving to our next one here. The radius of the circle is given as 12 centimeter. We need to find the diameter. The same procedure we have to do here. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius, right? Which is equal to 2 into radius is 12 centimeter. 2 into 12, which is equal to 24 centimeter. So the diameter of the circle is 24 centimeter. Okay. Moving to our next question. See, here we have to find the radius of the circle whose diameter is 16 centimeter and 14 centimeter. So here we need to find the radius and the diameter of the circle is given. Okay. So in this question, it is 16 centimeter. And we know the relation between diameter and radius. Radius equal to, we have studied that radius is equal to half of the diameter. Okay. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Okay. Radius is half of diameter. Okay. So diameter divided by 2. And diameter here given as 16 centimeter divided by 2. Okay. And 16 by 2, it is 8 centimeter. So the radius of the given circle is 8 centimeter. Okay. Moving on to our next one. Here the radius, we need to find the radius and the diameter is given as 14 centimeter. So to find the radius, we have the relation, it is diameter divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2. And here the diameter is given as 14 centimeter. And 14 divided by 2, we'll get it as 7 centimeter. Okay. So, to find the radius, we have the formula or we have the relation. Radius is half of diameter, that is diameter by 2 gives the radius. Okay. Next, here we have a circle with center O and I am taking 2 points on the circle. Here a point P and again a point Q. And now I am going to join these 2 points on the circle. Joining 2 points on the circle. Then I will get a line segment which joins PQ. And this line segment is called chord of a circle. This is called chord of a circle. Okay. So the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called chord of a circle. Okay. And any 2 points, if I am taking a point here, it's M. And taking another point N here and joining them. Joining these 2 points, I will get another chord. And taking a point here A and point B here and joining these points here also, it is a chord. Okay. And if I am taking a point, here R and taking a point S here and I am going to join these 2 points. Okay. And look, I have joined these points and it passes through the center. Yes, it's our diameter. So diameter of a circle is also a chord. Okay, diameter of a circle is also a chord because it joins 2 points on the circle. And diameter is the longest chord of a circle. We know that for every closed figure, it has a perimeter, right? And perimeter, what is the perimeter? It is the length of the boundary of the closed figure, right? So, in the case of the circle, the length of the curved line of the boundary is called the perimeter of the circle. This curve, this length of this curved line, it is called the perimeter of the circle, and we call perimeter of the circle as its circumference. Perimeter of the circle is called circumference of the circle. Okay, and we said that Circle is a closed figure. So the space or the region enclosed by the circle is called the interior region of the circle. The region enclosed by the circle is called the interior region of the circle, and the region which is outside the circle, this portion, region, it is called the exterior portion, exterior region of the circle. Okay, so the region inside the circle is called the interior region of the circle, and the region outside the circle, it is called exterior region of the circle. Okay, so our center for a circle, we have a center, and the center lies in the interior region, and here these points A and B, they are in the interior region. And if we take any points here like this, marking the points P, M and N, these points lies in the exterior of the circle. Okay, now see, here I have got a circle with center O, and I have marked 2 points on the circle A and B. Okay, and in between these points I have got a part of the circle, right? And the part of the circle which lies between 2 points of the circle is called an arc of the circle. So for the circle, this part which lies in between 2 points here, and also here also we can find that is the part of the circle which is in between these 2 points. Okay, so this is called an arc of a circle. It is called an arc of a circle. So the part of the circle which lies in between any 2 points of a circle is called an arc. Okay, and here this point divides the circle into 2 arcs. Here we can find an arc here, and also here this is also an arc. There are 2 arcs, and one is of the small length and the other is a bigger one. Okay, and here this arc, it is called the minor arc, and here the arc, taking any point from this arc, let it be X, and here taking a point here, let it be Y. Okay, and here the arc AXB, the arc AXB is called the minor arc, and AYB is the major arc, and we denote arc using a symbol like this. We'll use a curved line to denote arc. So we can name here the arc as arc AXB. Okay, arc AXB, it is the minor arc, and arc AYB, it is the major arc. So a point, 2 points in a circle divides the circle into 2 arcs, and we get a minor arc and a major arc. Okay, next, moving on to our next circle. See, here it is a circle with center O, and a diameter is drawn, right? A diameter is drawn, and a diameter divides the circle into 2 equal halves, and this is called the semicircle of a circle. Okay, so a diameter divides the given circle into 2 equal halves, and it is called semicircle. Half of the circle is called semicircle. Okay, and here while drawing the diameter, we will get 2 arc AMB. Here it is arc AMB and arc ANB, and these 2 arcs will be of the equal length. Okay, and next, moving on to a third circle here. Here also it is a circle with center O, and a chord is drawn, right? Here A and B are 2 points on the circle, and joining them we will get a chord, right? And here, see, this chord also divides the given circle into 2 parts, and each part of the circle is called a segment. Each part of the circle is called a segment. And here the segment which contains the minor arc, we can see an arc here, right? the part of the circle between the 2 points. So here our minor arc is AMB. Okay. The segment which contains the minor arc, that is which contains the arc AMB, it is called the minor segment. Okay. So this portion of the circle is called minor segment of the circle. Minor segment. And the segment which contains the major arc, here our major arc is arc A and B, and it is called the major segment. So this portion is called the major segment of the circle. Okay, now you can see the circles here, right? And what is the speciality of the circle? There are more than one circle is given, and all these circles have the same center, right? They have the common center, but the radius of these circles are different, right? And we call these circles by a name, and they are called concentric circles. Okay, so 2 or more circles with common center and different radii are called concentric circles. Okay, now let's study how to draw a circle. Okay, we use a compass and a scale to draw a circle of a given radius. Okay, so now let's study how to draw a circle.
To draw the circle, take a compass and fix a pencil in the compass. Make sure that the pencil is very tight. Now, with the help of a scale, we can measure the given radius. Here, the radius is 4 cm. So, measure and set the distance of 4 cm by opening the arms of the compass. So, here we got a measure of 4 cm. Now, mark a point O on the paper. Then, without changing the angle between the arms, place the sharp metal tip on the paper at point O. And this point is the center of the circle. Move the pencil around holding its tip. Now it traces a circle. Then join the center of the circle to any point on the circle. Now it is the radius, which is 4 cm length. So we got a circle of radius 4 cm.
Hope that you all understood the terms related to circles and also how to draw a circle. So, thank you children.